Today, I am talking about the fixed deposits of Bajaj Finance. Fixed deposit or FD is a low risk financial instrument that is offered by banks, post offices, or non banking financial companies. You can easily invest in fixed deposits and grow your savings at a fixed rate of interest, which is higher than the interest rates offered by the savings account. Bajaj Finance, a subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv, is an Indian non banking financial company. The company deals in consumer finance, SME, that is small and mid-sized enterprise, and is into commercial lending and wealth management. They are a consumer focused company with an emphasis on the profitable growth and the substantial operations to deliver solid results to every stakeholders. The investors, that is the shareholders of Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, have reaped good returns on their shareholding over the years and continue to do so because of a solid business model. This company is considered as one of the best NBFCs in India and is run by a strong management. The company has grown its financial health and shareholders' money substantially. So, the fixed deposit details of Bajaj Finance. There is a minimum investment of Rs 25,000. The rate of interest ranging from 5.94% to 6.85% based on the type of customers. The credit rating of ICRA's M AAA stable rating and CRISIL's F AAA stable rating and BBB rating by S&P Global for an Indian NBFCs with the international rating. The tenure is between 12 to 60 months to suit your financial needs. In the current market condition, there are not many options to get interest more than 6% to 7%. But looking at the another side, this corporate FD is not secured by insurance, but the bank fixed deposits are covered by insurance, that is DICGC, up to 1 lakh. No one knows to predict the future, but Bajaj Finance is fundamentally strong company which is seeing a strong growth over the years. So Bajaj Finance fixed deposits are safe for investing for anyone finding difficulty to save up money and live paycheck to paycheck. If you want to start saving money, especially if you are any low risk profile individual, instead of investing in the fixed deposits in the bank, you can consider Bajaj Finance. Here are some other benefits of the fixed deposit. An additional 0.25% rate of interest for senior citizen. This is an added bonus for the senior citizens as they are most likely to keep the money in the fixed deposits. Flexible tenures between 12 to 60 months with an option to choose periodic interest payments. An easy online investment process for existing customer and a doorstep document collection facilities. Loans against fixed deposits up to 75% of your FD amount. Access to digitally enabled FD branches which help the investors. In addition to these features and benefits, you can compute your earnings before investing by using a Bajaj Finance fixed deposit calculator which provides you with the exact returns easily. If you log into the website, you can use this easy to use calculator to know the returns. So once you head over to the website, you can see they've given option for the customer type, which is non-senior citizen if you are making investments offline, non-senior citizens making investment online, which is applicable rate of 6.7, and senior citizens doing both offline and offline at the fixed interest rate of 6.85. So if you have 2 lakhs investment with a tenure of 36 months with a fixed interest rate of 6.85 and interest paid was 43,980, the maturity is by December 23rd and the maturity amount is 2,43,980. So you can do it both in cumulative fixed deposit and non-cumulative. The best option is cumulative because the non-cumulative you get a monthly, quarterly or half yearly payout, but I would suggest for a cumulative where you would be receiving a lump sum payment on a particular day when the fixed deposit matures. So talking about the systematic deposit plan, which is a monthly investment plan, this is best for the individuals who have difficulty in saving up or do not have a investing habit. This monthly saving option enables a customer to invest in small deposits starting with just Rs 5,000 per month. You can choose with the two options, that is a monthly maturity scheme and a single maturity scheme. So the monthly maturity scheme enables you to save every month, get your returns as and when each of one of your monthly deposit matures. And in single maturity scheme, you get the lump sum return on all your deposits on a single day. It is a great choice for the people who want a lump sum payment and you can grow your savings easily. The interest rate prevailing on the date of each deposit made under the systematic deposit plan will be applicable for that particular deposit. So, each deposit under this scheme shall be treated as a separate fixed deposit. So, the day you're making the deposit, the interest rate applicable on that day would be applicable for that particular deposit. Talking about the returns and the risk, I want everyone to remember this. Low risk means low return. Likewise, high risk means higher return. All financial instruments carry some percentage of risk. If you think the FD in the public sector banks like SBI, Canara Bank do not have risk, then you are wrong. If the financials of a particular company collapse or there are issues in the banking system which is highly unlikely in India, but there are risk involved in the fixed deposits in the bank. I know many people who are not financially aware say the fixed deposits can never go wrong. To some extent it is true, but they still carry risk. So there is no risk-free investment in this world. Don't trust anyone who says there is no risk in this financial instrument. But the government of India will bail out if the banking system collapses. So I can't disagree that POC banks fixed deposits are safer in this regard as they are covered by the insurance up to 1 lakh. But all the corporate FDs, which includes Bajaj Finance, are unsecured. That is, if the company defaults, the investor cannot sell his documents to recover his capital. That is the principal amount. That is the amount you made into the fixed deposit. Hence, the credit ratings evaluated by the various credit agency needs to be seen. And also the history of the timely payments when due also needs to be considered when you're looking at the financials of the company. So, there is no doubt Bajaj Finance has a very strong rating. This may not be a concern for the individuals making fixed deposits in Bajaj Finance. So the advantages are better liquidity. So when you invest in Bajaj Finance fixed deposits, there is a lock-in period of 3 months. While there is no penalty on the withdrawing money prematurely, you may incur the loss in terms of the earned interest. So that is pretty simple. So you're not having any other charges. So let's look at this chart which explains clearly. Is withdrawal possible within 3 months? So the FDs cannot be liquidated before the lock-in period of 3 months except in the event of death. Withdrawal within 3 to 6 months. Is withdrawal possible? Yes. Principal amount received would be returned? Yes. Interest amount received? No. If you are making a premature withdrawal after 6 months, the principal amount would be given plus the interest is payable at 2% lower than the interest rate applicable to the deposit for which the period was made. Instead of withdrawing, there's another option for the individuals. Instead of withdrawing prematurely, it is always advisable to take loan against a fixed deposit only if there is an immediate need without having to liquidate your saving. This can help you get the desired cash flow without losing out on interest. So this should be done only at the dire situation when you desperately need the money, and I do not suggest to take loans. So the returns are better than the most savings account, as the savings account these days are providing less than 5%. Guaranteed returns. Fixed deposits are not linked to the market conditions of the stock market or any other fact. So they can offer guaranteed return. So any fixed deposits including Bajaj Finance or any other banks or any other NBFCs is always safe. So in fact among all the investment options, fixed deposits are the safest. So Bajaj Finance is a stronger NBFC, so there is a less chance of default. So in conclusion, you can benefit from one of the best FD rates, having a flexible tenure, choose a periodic payment options or any other or a lump sum payment option. And FDs are one of the best low cost, low risk investment option that can help you increase your savings, especially if you're struggling with having a good investment habit. You can get guaranteed returns without any effect of the market fluctuations. So if stock market is not your investment options for now, you can look at Bajaj Finance fixed deposits to get a better rate of interest on your FDs. To know more, and if you are interested in investing in Bajaj Finance fixed deposits, you can go down to the description section and contact me on the number given. This is the 8th Wonder of the World channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.